How to verify your identity on MoneyGram account. Let's get started. Launch your MoneyGram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. If you haven't verified your profile yet, you'll get this kind of pop-up. Verify your profile, upload ID. Click on it. You'll get different options for the verification purpose. Driver license, state ID, passport, or US residence permit. Select any of the options that is suitable for you. Just click on it. With that, your camera will open up. Now you have to position the photo page of your document in the frame. First up, take the picture of the front side of your document, then the back side. Make sure the picture is clear. After you take the picture, you can upload it. With that, you have just submitted your documents for the identity verification. So this way you can easily verify your identity on MoneyGram. That's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.